A DreamMarker hot dog cart. It's got its own water heater, a sink. This was at the flea market. Nobody wanted it. I got it for 320 bucks. It's got that cooktop to cook on. It needs that valve right there. Some guy's coming to get it right now for $1,300. All these knobs are right there at the knobs. They keep falling off. They go in those holes. A DreamMarker. Made in St. Petersburg, Florida. No China here. Maybe assembled with Chinese parts. This was completely made in St. Pete. All that was made. Custom made. In here there's a water tank and a SureFlow pump. That right there at the bottom of the cooler, or that holds the soda and water. I think I got a real good deal, especially if I get $1,300 for it. This one bottle's almost full. We forgot to look in here. This is where water and soda goes. It needs a good clean. I don't think it'll pass the health inspection with this rust. It would have to be gotten out. Maybe it would, I don't know. I don't know how strict they are. Down below is storage. And it's missing the drip pan right there for the grease. You'd have to have that for sure. He's coming back with the money right now. He's gonna give me $1,300. I won't take less. There's others that want to buy it right now.